Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix update KB5083549 error. Something didn't go as planned, no need to worry, undoing changes, on Windows 11. First, open this PC, then open Local Disk C. Now enable Hidden Items. You can click View Show Hidden Items or Open Folder Options. View, then enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Now delete the update folder shown on screen. If Windows does not allow you to delete it, open Command Prompt as Administrator and run the delete command provided in the video description. Once the folder is removed, restart the update process. Next, clean system files. Search for Disk Cleanup, select Local Disk C, then click Clean Up System Files. Check all available boxes, click OK, then select Delete Files. Wait for the cleanup to finish. Now try installing the update again. If it still fails, disable Hyper-V. Open Control Panel, go to Programs. Turn Windows features on or off, scroll down, and uncheck Hyper-V if it is enabled. Click OK, let Windows apply the change, then restart your computer. Next, repair Windows Update using Command Prompt. Search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Run the commands provided in the video description one by one. After the commands finish, restart your PC. Now start the important update services. Search Services and open it. Find App Readiness, set it to Automatic, then click Start. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update. After that, go back to Windows Update, pause updates for 1 week, then click Resume Updates. Now try the update again. If you're still getting the same error, go to the Windows Update page and turn off the option shown on screen, then restart your PC and try installing the update again. That's it. One of these steps should fix the KB5089549 undoing changes error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.